Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the chat theme in Instagram. It's a straightforward process, to just follow along with me. To begin, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Confirm this by checking if it says open instead of update. Once your Instagram app is up to date, open it in your device. Click on the direct message icon located in the top right corner to access your chats. Choose the chat conversation for which you want to change the theme. Inside the chat, tap on the name of the person you're chatting with at the top of the screen. This will take you to a new page. Look for the theme option below the person username. It should be among 4 other options. If you can't find it, give it a moment and it should appear. Clicking on theme option will display a list of available themes. Scroll through the options and select one you prefer. It's important to note that changing the theme not only affects your view, but also the other person in the chat. This means both participants will see and selected theme. If you can't find the option to change the theme within the chat, here's the alternative method. Go back to your Instagram home screen and click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal bars. Click on them and select Settings. On the Setting page, locate and click on the Help option. This will take you to a new page with various help options. Look for Report a problem and click on it. Select the Don't Include option and proceed to take a screenshot of the chat screen where the theme option is missing. After capturing the screenshot, go back to the Help page and click on the Screenshot IUH option. Return to the chat screen where the theme option is supposed to be and take another screenshot to show that's now showing up. Next, go back to the Help page and you'll find the screenshot you just took. Type a message along the lines of "My themes aren't showing up, please help me." Once you compose your message, click on the Send option at the top right corner of the screen. Instagram support should receive your message and respond to it within a couple of days to resolve the issue with the missing theme option. That's how you change the chat theme on Instagram. Simply access the chat, click on the person names and select a theme from the available options. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.